Good morning. I'm holding my sock that holds my camera. It's been 2 days since the festival. I've been in this hotel room just kind of like recuperating, and it's really like sad after spending 24 hours with a group of people and then you just end up by yourself again. But now I'm off to another city called Tepoztlan. Let's go to this place. We're off on a hike this morning. Cheers. So good.
C'est juste le petit passage étroit. C'est le premier mirador. Et après on va arriver à une place où il y a des petits bancs. Et après ça va être le passage ghetto.
Got it. Let's go. I want to show you what we had to climb. It's so cool. Today I accomplished something that I was very scared of. That's why you have to surround yourself with people that can push you. Like I'm climbing with a monkey right now. We were all the way up there. So I'm all showered up. We came back from the hike. That was really nice. It was like around like 6K that we did. And then we went to get some coffee and bread. And now we're gonna chill on the rooftop. I mean, this weather is amazing. This is my bed. So you ask for like an extra blanket and you make it like into a cave. And it's actually really comfortable. And there's 2 plugs there.
Yes. Up. Yum. Ça, on va se mettre dans une petite assiette.
Voilà, il y a combien?
Poquito de miel. Y la
Plátano.
plátano.
Chocolate.
Sí.
¿Así? ¿Así?
Sí, tú
Okay.
puedes.
Y lo envuelvo.
Sí.
So we're about to do a Temazcal. I don't know really what to expect. Wow. I can't see. So first they have us write things that we want to let go in the fire. So I'm writing a list such as fear, my resistance towards things, perfectionism, my guilt complex, trying to behave, always trying to say the right thing, trying to be liked, trying to be accepted, just trying to fit in. Like, I don't want that anymore. I want to be fucking wild. I'm editing this video right now and I realized that I didn't explain at all what the Temazcal was actually like once we were inside. I did find an amazing website that I'm going to link down below, and they explain everything about a Temazcal and all the symbols behind it, because everything's related to masculine, feminine energy. The Temazcal itself is feminine energy, and then the stones that come in, the warmth, the sun, the fire, that's masculine. So there's like a penetration, and there's this perfect equilibrium. And then inside the Temazcal is the shaman, who was a woman for me, and then there's also the fireman, who initiates the preparation of the purifying flame and the burning stone. So before we entered, the shaman saged us down, and the whole time she was singing, doing prayers of gratitude, and always asking for permission and thanking. Inside of the Temazcal lasted like an hour, and it was divided into 4. We would do a prayer, a chant, and talk about our gratitude, and let the heat build up, and then she would go like 3, 2, 1, open the doors. They would exchange rocks and bring in some hotter ones. Did that 4 times, and 4 is a very symbolic number because it symbolizes like the 4 minerals, the 4 transitional stage of the human being: childhood, youth, maturity, old age, the 4 seasons, 4 directions, the 4 bodies: physical, emotional, mental, spiritual. And then we would close the doors back again. And then there was also one part where we had to drink some sort of herbal drink, and before we drank we had to create a good energy with the water and say positive things, say gratitude. So the whole time as well, we're talking about what we're grateful. There's like an interaction between the whole group. The whole thing is you're drinking the water that's pure and you're sweating out your impurities. We are here, guys. So we just found it's an eco hostel, and they're having like a little market, and there's ceremonies. It's like a really nice environment. Everyone's welcoming, everyone's pure and honest in who they are. Well, I don't know, maybe there's some assholes too here, I don't know. Good morning, birds. Today we're off to do a hike, but first I'm going to the market to get some vegetables for lunch and some bananas for the hike. No, gracias. Up there. It's not the hike we originally wanted to do, but sometimes that happens. Just gotta go with the flow. Like this. Right here. We're going to see a concert with indigenous music. That's what we've been told. We're not quite sure. Oui, oui. Salut la caméra. Faire des montages comme ça où c'est vrai que c'est cool. It's the next day. I didn't film much yesterday because I didn't feel too well, and even this morning all of us kind of spent 2 hours just chatting about sometimes you wake up on the wrong side of the bed, or you had a bad dream, or you've been stressed about something, and like even though you're traveling, even though you're in the perfect environment, it's hot, you're around good people, you still can't help but feel average, you know. Not every day is going to be perfect. Today I got some stuff sorted and we're making a good choice. We're going to go hiking with this local guy that we met yesterday. We're getting some tacos. Like, we're turning the day around positively as much as we can. We found eagles.